This question has been around for a bit, but I have heard this question more so lately. And it talks about, where can I put a hot pan on top of my quartz countertop because I think I can do so on my granite countertop. So let's put that to rest. The answer is you need to use common sense on both, because both stones will break if there is extreme conditions. Example, we are minus 10 degrees outside. Your kitchen is on an outside wall and you have a seam because the way it's wrapped up. You have a corner seam into your countertop and you decided that you're going to put a crock pot that is, 420 degrees, and you're gonna leave it there all day. The extreme conditions of the super cold and the super hot will break your stone. Or you have a very high risk of breaking the stone. The same condition stands with, it's very cold, you got something from the oven, you're gonna put it on the stone. The cold temperature versus the hot temperature causes extreme, almost like a bomb, right? An extreme boom on both sides of the stone. No matter if it is quartz or granite, or even soapstone, you have the possibility of breaking your quartz. I have seen it, it had happened, and that's why I can talk to you about it. In general, there is no manufacturer out there that will tell you or will want to tell you that, oh yeah, no problem, you go ahead and put your hot pot on the granite and the quartz and it will be fine. All of them will tell you that you need to have a grounder in between the hot pan and the granite or the quartz. Why? Because even if it doesn't break, depending on several other factors, like what's the cleaner that you last used on your countertop and there was some residue left on it, or how hot is the pan that you're going to put on your countertop, or do you have cold water pipes going underneath it, and so on and so forth, how thick it is, and da-da-da. Ultimately, again, extreme conditions can make the countertop to break, or you can obtain yellow rings where the hot pan were. So no matter what the discussions may or may not be, I will say that both of them experience have told me that you need to put a towel on the surface, then put your hot pan or a wood block, no matter if it is granite or quartz, so that you have that isolator in between the two. And in that way, you don't have to worry about a yellow ring or anything. Too many variables, too many possibilities to have a straightforward answers. And fabricator or manufacturers do not want to be responsible to tell you one thing, and if it happens, they don't want to have to replace it. So the answer is wishy-washy. My answer to you is have an isolator in between them. It is best to have a peace of mind.